Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the exercise part of the lesson Heidi Meets Grandfather. Complete these sentences. Inside his cupboard, grandfather kept plates, cups, shirts, bread, etc. Heidi climbed up to the loft filled with fragrant hay. Heidi made her bed using hay. Grandfather gave Heidi dash to eat, bread and cheese to eat and milk to drink. When Peter brought the goats home, grandfather standing at the door. Grandfather climbed up to check on Heidi because whether she slept or not. Because of stormy wind. Next, write down the antonyms of the underlined words. Antonyms means opposites. It is a cloudy day. It is a hot day. Akhil is a strong boy. Akhil is a weak boy. We took the narrow road. We took the broad road. The king was kind to his people. The king was cruel to his people. I need help to close this suitcase. I need help to open this suitcase. Understood? Next. Complete the sentence with the correct words that go together. Mary dashed softly in my ear. Mary whispered. Dash exercise will help you stay fit. Regular. I would like to buy 2 bars of dash, please. Soap. Dash was failing as our dash took off. Snow. Snow was falling as our plane took off. I always try to do my homework in the morning after making my bed. Circle the verbs that agree with the nouns in these sentences. The driver dash driving fast. The driver is dash these your storybooks. Are these your storybooks? We must dash healthy food. We must eat. Children enjoys children enjoys birthday party. The doctor and the nurse are on duty. They have a kitchen garden in the backyard. Fill in the blanks with a, an, or the. Rakesh is dash honest officer. Rakesh is an. The sun set in the mountains. There was a little girl selling flowers. Heidi lived with her grandfather in the Alps. I packed a sandwich and an orange for lunch. Please carry an umbrella because it is raining outside. Understood? For this we finished our 12th lesson. Heidi Meets Grandfather. Tomorrow we will see Fourteenth, Gopal and Hilsa fish. Okay. Thank you.